Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing just makeup, of course. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick look. You can see my daughter behind me, but I'm going to be doing a really quick look with a very simple neutral palette. It's the Naked Reloaded from Urban Decay. Where you going, sweetie? Is that trash? Thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing that really quick for you guys, alright? Thanks. It's one of my favorite palettes. Neutral. Beautiful. We're going to be using... I'm not even going to prime because it's just going to be one color I'm doing. And I want to do the gold. I want to do that, it's called Barely Baked right there. Second from the top, from the first. Okay guys, so here's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so sorry that I had to kind of speed through everything. My daughter was in the room, and when she's in the room she likes to talk and chat and do everything, and then when she comes in the room my cat comes in the room and you meow whatever, but it's really like, so I kind of just muted everything and sped through it because I feel like that was the easiest way. But thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Also, I will have everything that I use in the description box. And stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you so much.